Question number 2. Differentiate 2x over 3x squared plus 4 with respect to x. Hence, determine the integration of 4 plus 3x squared over 3x squared plus 4 squared dx. So first of all, we need to differentiate u over v. So we let u equal to 2x, v equal to denominator 3x squared plus 4. Still remember, we need to differentiate the u, du dx equal to 2. And we need to differentiate the v, dv dx equal to 6x. According to the formula, we need to write dy dx is equal to v times du dx. Is always v first. We multiply by du dx and then minus u times dv dx. And you need to divide by the v squared. This is the formula that you must use when you have two functions divide by each other, u over v, which is in a fraction. So let's do it now. Dy dx equal to the v is 3x squared plus 4, and we will multiply with the 2, right? And minus 2x times with the 6x. U is 2x and dv dx is 6x. Right? Now we have to divide by the v squared, which is 3x squared plus 4, and we have to square it because the formula it comes with a v squared. Now let's simplify carefully for the dy dx. Now we need to expand further so that we can simplify. So dy dx is equal to 2 times 3x squared, which is 6x squared, plus 2 times 4, which is 8, minus 2 times 6 is 12, x times x squared, over 3x squared plus 4 squared. So we need to simplify further until the simplest form. Now 6x squared minus 12x squared, they are like terms. So we can simplify the 6x squared minus 12x squared. So we get negative 6x squared, right? Over 3x squared plus 4 squared, right? So this is the dy dx. Now we have show the steps to get the dy dx. Alright, make sure we double check everything is perfect. Now for the next question, the b, hence, there is a word hence, integrate the 4 minus 3x squared over 3x squared plus 4 squared. If you look at the integration, it seems like it's quite similar with the dy dx, isn't it? So when we integrate the dy dx, we will get y, right? When we integrate this dy dx, let's say I'm going to integrate my dy dx, which is 8 minus 6x over 3x squared plus 4 squared. 8 minus 6x squared over 3x squared plus 4 squared. I will get my y, which is given in the question just now. So let me show you. Integrate 8 minus 6x squared over 3x squared plus 4 dx. Suppose I will get the y. Where is the y? Now, we have to write dx. Alright, so where is the y? The y was given at the beginning. This is y. That is why we differentiate the y. So the y is the answer. When we integrate the dy dx, the final product will be y. So then we will write down the y first before we do any more modification or simplification. So the y was given 2x over 3x squared plus 4, right? Let's check again. 2x over 3x squared plus 4, right? Okay, this is a y. So if we integrate the dy dx, we will get a y. But you see, the question is asking integrate 4 minus 3x squared. It's half of the dy dx, isn't it? We are having 8, but the question asking for 4 minus 3. We are having 8 minus 6x squared. So we must divide by 2, so that we will get integration of what the question asks, which is 4 minus 3x squared, right? Actually, we are factorizing the 2 out. So then we times with the half both sides. Then the rest will be the same, 3x squared plus 4 squared. Now we will have to cancel out the half and the 2 with the purpose we want to get the integration as instructed by the question. So if we divide by 2, the answer will be x over 3x squared plus 4 plus c. Don't forget to write plus c. So this is the answer for integration for minus 3x squared over 3x squared plus 4 squared dx. The answer is equal to x over 3x squared plus 4 plus c.